Hello everyone, a quick unboxing video of Amazfit GTS 2E. Let's see how is it. It seems like we have another small box inside the box. So let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, inside the box we have the watch and accessories. Let's see what we'll get inside the box, what accessories we'll get. Yeah, and this side we got our charger dock and its magnetic dock for the charger. Let's put it on the side. Then we have the user manual, and that's really big user manual. I think it's in all languages. Let's put it on the side. Now it's the time for the watch. Yeah, this is a great watch. You get everything with it. Let's see the watch faces. You'll get every watch faces you want. You can put. It's a great watch. And let's see how it looks on our wrist. Yeah, it's a good watch. You can have your rise to wake, everything working. So I'll put the quick review also. This is only the unboxing. We'll test it and we'll tell how is it look. Thank you. And guys who watched the video, if it was helpful, just like and subscribe to the channel and help me to this journey. Thank you.